Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would talk about Walt Disney World extra magic hours. What they are, how to use them, the benefit of them, and is it always right to use the extra magic hours? What the extra magic hours are just that, an extra magic hour for you special Disney resort guests and some of you good neighbor resorts as well. So each theme park will take a turn throughout the week and be open for an extra hour. Typically it's an extra hour in the morning. Sometimes they do an extra hour in the evening. So say the general park hours are 9 to 9. That park will then be open from 8 a.m. till 9 a.m. for just resort for just the resort guests at Walt Disney World hotels and some of those good neighbor hotels as well. What are the benefits of using them? Well, I have to say the biggest benefit is not a lot of people like to wake up super early to get to the theme park on their vacation. I don't know, they're crazy. So getting there early, you'll be able to get on rides before other people. Like if you went to Hollywood Studios and you wanted to go ride on Slinky Dog and Tower of Terror and Toy Story Mania, but you can't get fast passes to all of those rides currently, you will be able to ride those most likely with the extra magic hour. This is a huge benefit to those must-do rides or character meet and greets. It gets you in the park an hour before the park is open to the general public, and then you'll be able to ride some of those really popular rides without a huge wait, in theory. I love using extra magic hours, especially when I have a park hopper. This is because we like to start our day in the park with the extra magic hours. When it's a little quieter, we'll go back and take a break midday and then maybe go to a different park that evening for dinner. That's how our family rolls. I know a lot of people who go to Disney World for the first time really like to concentrate on one park per day, and they really want to make the most out of that park. So they usually pick the park with the extra magic hours, which in theory is a good idea because then you can ride these certain rides without a fast pass or without less people. But here's the trick, is there will be a lot of other people doing that as well. So if a park has extra magic hours, they are generally going to be the ones that are going to be a little busier for that day. Like if the Magic Kingdom has extra magic hours, you can count on it that that will probably be the most popular park that day for those who have one park per day pass. So for that reason alone, if you're a first-time visitor, I don't generally recommend using the extra magic hours, because are you really going to be at the park from 8 a.m. till 9 p.m. with your little ones? That's kind of a long day. So you'll be better off if you pick, when you book your trip through me, I tend to look at different crowd calendars, kind of pick a park that's predicted to have a lower wait time and lower crowds. That way you can get more out of your day. And generally speaking, when you have kids under the age of, let's see, 6 or 7, you are not going to be at the park from opening till close. It's just not going to happen. Your kids are going to need a break. There's a ton of walking, ton of waiting. Walt Disney World is warm, so it's not the type of place where you can go from morning till night normally. When my daughter was younger, we would go to the park. We'd usually leave even before fireworks. So keep that in mind. If you have littler ones, using the park with the extra magic hours may not be the best benefit to you because the little ones generally need to go to bed earlier. Now, if you have older ones that like nice age before they're teenagers and don't want to wake up and they're out of naps, out of the rest, you know, that later elementary school age, then using an extra magic hour would be great, because then you can go in and you can ride all the rides that you want in the morning. Maybe you make a lunch reservation to rest your feet for a little bit in the middle of the day, and then you're ready to go until fireworks. The other thing with teenagers, let's be real, how many people have teenagers that sleep in? I know even mine, she will wake up early the first few days of vacation and then you're kind of getting tired. So we don't generally plan the extra magic hours for later in the week because it's harder to wake up. You're getting tired. So something to keep in mind. If your week you're going has extra magic hours at the end of the day, that is a great time to use them, especially with the teenagers. Disney has been moving things around with all the extra events they have, with the Halloween party, the Christmas party, the after hours, all those wonderful events they have. The extra magic hours tend to be at the beginning of the day. There are some times where the extra magic hours at the end of the day. I do remember a time when my friend Brenda and I were there years ago. Our kids were younger. We didn't last very long. Her kids were rock stars and went a little, especially her oldest. It was leap year. Oh, what was the saying? I took a leap and didn't sleep at the Magic Kingdom, and the Magic Kingdom was open 24 hours this one day. We left before fireworks. We went out to dinner together, and then her father, Grampy, took her oldest, and they were at the Magic Kingdom way past midnight. And they were saying it was very busy because everyone wanted to take a leap and not sleep at the Magic Kingdom. How cool. So, something to keep in mind. Let me know, do you guys take advantage of the extra magic hours? Or do you have a plan? Would you rather do extra magic hours in the morning or the evening? I personally like them in the morning because not many people wake up, like I said. So drop a comment, let me know below. Morning, night. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.